Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making some nutty breakfast bars. I'm using mixed nuts today, and I'm toasting them on the stove. Then I'm adding a few seeds, a few poppy, chia and sesame seeds. They'll give it a lovely crunch. Shake them up a little bit. And next a little bit of honey. This will stick them together quite nicely, and I'm going to heat this to 266 degrees Fahrenheit or 130 degrees centigrade. This will make sure they set and will become quite nice to eat. Then I've blended a few dates and added a little bit of vanilla. Into the bowl of nuts and give it a good stir. And then straight into a tray that's had baking paper and a little bit of coconut oil spread. Otherwise this will stick to the paper and we don't want that. Spread it out so it's lovely and flat. There we go. And I thought it might be quite nice to add a few little chocolate chips on the top. And then let's squash all the ingredients together. There we go. A little bit of flaked salt, which is one of my favourite ingredients at the moment. And there we go. I left mine to set at room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes. And while it's not too hard, I'm going to cut it with a very sharp knife. Again, I've spread this with a little bit of coconut oil so it doesn't stick, because these bars aren't set yet. This makes it much easier to cut. And once the bars are cut, we can pop them into the fridge to set completely. And there they are, popped into a little cupcake case, all ready to eat. Thanks for watching today. Hope you've enjoyed. Take care, and I'll catch you again very soon.